Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. Today we are going to start lesson number 9, nervous system. Okay? At the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the importance of nervous system. You will be able to recognize the parts of the nervous system and can list their functions, can differentiate between different types of nerves and can examine the usefulness of sense organs. Okay, let's start our lesson. Nervous system. See children, our body is made up of so many parts. As in the previous lesson you have seen the skeletal system, the bones, joints and muscles we have studied in detail. Okay, we have seen the skull, backbone, rib cage, all these parts of skeletal system we have studied, and we have also studied that these bones they protect our internal organs, like skull protects our brain, our rib cage protects our lungs and heart, isn't it children? In this skeletal system, how the different bones are protecting different internal organs we have studied in detail. Now, as our body is made up of many parts, then how does it still act as one unit? We are saying that there is skeletal system in the body, muscular system is there, nervous system, digestive system, and excretory system, respiratory system. There are circulation of blood. Many life processes are taking place in our body. Then how does it still act as one unit? These many systems are there in our body, but it is working as one unit, like one machine it is working at. There are many systems working inside, isn't it? So how it is possible? How does it still acting as one unit? So actually the nervous system is the most important organ system. In the life processes we have seen organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, many systems we have seen in the body. So with this there is a nervous system which is very important organ system. It controls all other body parts and enables them to communicate with one another. So whatever the systems are working in our body, these all systems are controlled actually by our brain. So our brain forms this nervous system with some other organs we will see. Okay, the nervous system controls all body parts and enables them to communicate with one another. It helps us to see, it helps us to hear, feel, smell, think and write. And it also helps us to remember things. How can we remember things? The things which have passed long ago, we can remember that. And what is our plan, what we are going to do in the future, what is next we are going to do. How can we remember all these things? It is controlled by our nervous system. To play, to dance and to perform various other activities, actually our nervous system is helping us. So our nervous system, when we are talking about nervous system, brain with some other parts, so it consists of these parts. What are the main parts of nervous system? First one is the brain. Next is spinal cord. Brain we have seen it is protected by the skull. In the head, in the skull bone, brain is protected. And we have seen this skull when it is attaching to the neck joint here, through the backbone, one spinal cord is passing. One cord is attached to this brain which is passing from the backbone. Okay, that is also the part of nervous system. So the first main part of nervous system is the brain, then the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, what is the function of brain? It acts like a computer. Brain acts like a computer in our body. Then the spinal cord, it acts like a thick cable, the cable which is attached to the computer, which is commanding, which is giving instructions to all parts of the body. So spinal cord acts like a thick cable. Can we play a computer without connecting the cable? No. So it acts like a thick cable. Nerves. What are nerves? They act like thin wires connecting everything in the body from our brain. So the main computer is our brain. Then spinal cord is like a thick cable, and the small wires which are connected in all parts of our body, they are the nerves. So in our body you can see nerves are passing to every corner of the body. In all over the body, this nerves network is there. A network of nerves is there. Okay, the main cable is spinal cord, and the main computer in our head is brain. So brain, spinal cord, and the nerves make our nervous system. Okay, what are the three main parts of our nervous system? Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Our sense organs are also a part of the nervous system. What are our sense organs? 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Isn't it? So our sense organs are also a part of nervous system. The sense organs make us aware of our surroundings. So when we talk about our sense organs, when we hear some voice, or when we feel the touch of any hot object or cold object, or when we see any object, or when we smell, so these all senses, actually when we touch something and we feel hot or cold, first this, when we touch something, this message goes to the brain, then brain respond to this touch as it is cold or hot. When the message comes back to the hand, to the skin of hand, then we feel that it is hot or it is cold, isn't it? So we will see this in detail. First we will study about brain. Our brain. The brain is the control center of the whole body. Brain is the control center of whole body. It receives information or messages from different parts of the body. It processes the information and transmits relevant instructions for the concerned body parts. The brain controls all our actions, including what we do, what we think, what we say, how we behave, and how we learn. So this is all about brain, which is the control center of whole body. It receives information or messages from different parts of the body. Just now I gave you example of touching a hot or cold object, or if you listen something, if you hear something, okay, if you hear a sound. So when the sound is touching to your ears, the inner part of the ears, then this message goes to the brain. Okay, then brain respond which type of sound it is, then we will be able to hear that particular sound. It is loud voice, it is loud sound, or it is a pleasant sound, or what type of sound it is. Or if we get hurt on the feet, or on the legs, somewhere on the body, so we feel pain for that. So from the legs or from any parts of the body, if we get any injury, or if we get hurt, so this message will go to the brain, then brain gives the response to that particular part, whether to feel pain or not. Okay, then we feel it is very painful, then we respond on that. So for every action, brain is actually controlling. The brain is controlling all parts of the body. It is the control center. It processes the information and transmits relevant instructions to the concerned body parts. The brain controls all our actions, including what we do, what we think, what we say, and how we behave. Okay. In the next video, we will continue this lesson with the parts of the brain in detail. We will see. Okay. You take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.